Alright, hello, welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about two really great products to help you save some money running your Breville or other branded espresso machine. A lot of people justify the cost of spending $700, $800, $900 and even far more on a machine like this because it saves them money in the long run. When I make an espresso or an Americano or a latte on this machine, it costs me about 25 cents and I'm very happy with that. But I need to make sure that this machine can keep doing that for many years in order to pay off that initial cost. In order to do that, I need to make sure that I'm maintaining it, replacing the filters, descaling if my area has particularly hard water, and those have a cost associated with them as well. Companies like Breville sell their own cleaning products for their machines particularly. However, many off-brand companies carry equally good products at a fraction of the cost. And I'm going to be talking about two of those today. The first product I'm going to be talking about is cleaning tablets. You'll see Breville makes their own cleaning tablets and might even include them with some machines. However, they cost a lot if you're going to buy more. And every time this Clean Me light comes on, you need at least one, maybe even two, to get the job done. Cafiza makes this exact same cleaning tablet formula in the E16 size, which is the Breville size, at a fraction of the cost. This container has 100 tablets. I'll link it in the description below. It's available on Amazon. And they're exactly the same. They dissolve just as quick. They're made of the same formula. You'll see the coffee melting out of your machine. And they're at a fraction of the cost. So that's my first great tip, is to use these Cafiza branded. It's still a very large brand, many positive reviews on Amazon, and they work spectacularly. I've compared them to the Breville ones and I can see absolutely no difference. The second product I'm going to talk about is the charcoal filter located in the water tank at the back of your espresso machine. This needs to be replaced every 2 months, regardless of how often you use the espresso machine. You can see the little indicator up here, and if you haven't been changing this, you absolutely should. Again, Breville sells its own branded charcoal filters. Now, these are extremely overpriced, and for a product like a charcoal filter, the magic is absolutely not in the Breville name. It's in the activated charcoal that is involved in that filter. The only case I could make for buying the Breville ones is that they fit in that nest that is in the water tank, but these ones check that box as well, so definitely check these out. So, I'm going to have the product links for these two products down in the description. I hope you'll check them out. They're absolutely great products and they'll save you a little bit of money in running your espresso machine, while at the same time making sure that you're not compromising in any way in maintaining it to make sure your espresso machine serves you for many years to come. I hope this was useful to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.